Ever wondered how much potential there is in the digital world? Ever pondered how you can turn your digital skills into a gold mine? Welcome to the realm of digital products, a rising trend in the business world. These virtual commodities are not just profitable, they have woven themselves into the fabric of modern commerce. From online courses to software applications, digital products offer a unique blend of scalability, flexibility, and potential for high pricing. So buckle up and prepare to explore the world of digital entrepreneurship. Stay tuned to discover 12 of the most profitable digital products to sell in 2024. First on our list is the titan of digital products, online courses. Now, why are online courses such a big deal? Well, let's dive in. Online courses are highly profitable for a number of reasons. Firstly, they're scalable. This means you create the course once and it can be sold to thousands, even millions of customers worldwide. Secondly, they have the potential for high pricing. If you possess a unique skill or knowledge, people will be willing to pay a premium to learn from you. However, the key to a successful online course lies in the uniqueness and quality of the content. Your course needs to offer something that others do not, or present it in a way that's more engaging or effective. This could be through interactive elements, real-world applications, or simply a unique teaching style. But remember, creating a course requires time and effort. It's not just about recording a few videos and putting them up online. You need to plan your course structure, create engaging content, and possibly provide ongoing support for your students. Despite these challenges, the rewards can be immense. After all, knowledge is a powerful commodity. Remember, knowledge is power, and selling it online can be quite powerful indeed. Another digital product that is making waves is online services. From graphic design and content creation to digital marketing and SEO, the world of online services is vast and varied. The beauty of online services is the flexibility they offer. You can tailor your services to match your skills and passion, making it not only profitable but also enjoyable. Let's talk about profitability. With minimal startup costs and high scalability, online services can bring in significant income. But remember, the key to profitability lies in the value you provide. The more unique and high quality your service, the more you can charge. Here's where the importance of a strong online presence comes in. An engaging website, active social media accounts, and positive client testimonials can enhance your credibility, helping you attract and retain clients. But like every other digital product, online services also have their challenges. You need to constantly update your skills and adapt to market changes. However, the rewards can certainly outweigh the challenges. Online services can be a gold mine if you play your cards right. Templates, the hidden gems of the digital world. Now let's delve into the potential of templates. In the realm of digital products, templates are a gold mine, offering an amazing opportunity for steady revenue. Their demand is high, and they're relatively simple to create. Whether it's a website design, a business plan, or a social media post layout, templates can save people time and effort, making them highly sought after. But here's the catch. Your templates must be unique and useful. They need to stand out in a sea of options, offering something that others don't. They need to solve a problem or fill a need in a way that's efficient and user-friendly. The beauty of templates is that once you've created them, they can be sold again and again with no additional effort on your part. This makes them a truly scalable digital product. However, it's important to keep your templates updated and relevant to ensure continuous demand. Remember, the key to success with templates is to create something that's not just unique, but also immensely useful to your potential customers. Templates can be your ticket to a steady income flow. So why not harness the potential of these hidden gems? Software and apps, the digital products that are revolutionizing our world, these powerful tools are reshaping how we live, work, and play. Their profitability lies in their ability to solve problems and meet user needs. From simple task management apps to advanced software for businesses, the demand is vast and ever-growing. However, creating software or an app isn't a walk in the park. It requires technical skills and a deep understanding of user behavior. It's about crafting a solution that's not just functional, but also user-friendly. Users today anticipate intuitive interfaces that make their lives easier, not more complicated. Innovation is the currency in this digital product realm. It's about identifying gaps, anticipating user needs, and delivering a product that exceeds expectations. It's about staying ahead of the curve. continually refining your product to keep up with evolving user demands and technological advancements. But when you hit the mark, the rewards can be substantial. Software and apps can be a goldmine if developed and marketed correctly. The potential is vast, and the digital landscape is ripe for those ready to innovate and disrupt. It's an exciting, challenging space where creativity meets technology and the possibilities are endless. Printables, a simple yet profitable digital product. The beauty of printables lies in their simplicity. They can be anything from planners and calendars to wall arts and greeting cards. The key here is creativity and quality. The more unique and attractive your designs are, the more they'll appeal to potential buyers. Now, why are printables such a hit? Well, they offer immediate value to customers. They can be downloaded, printed, and used right away. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. They can be personalized for different occasions, themes, or audiences. Creating printables is relatively easy, especially if you have a flair for design. It doesn't require extensive coding skills or technical know-how. All you need is a design software and a dash of imagination. But remember, the market for printables is competitive. So it's crucial to find a niche that resonates with you and your potential customers. Maybe it's motivational quotes, maybe it's chic home decor, or maybe it's educational resources for kids. And the best part, once a printable is designed, it can be sold over and over again, creating a potential stream of passive income. So if you have a knack for design and an eye for what customers want, printables can be a lucrative business. Printables can be a lucrative business if you have a knack for design. Ebooks, the digital product that is taking reading to a new level. Ah, the allure of ebooks. They are more than just a digital version of a print book. They represent a revolution in how we share and consume stories, ideas, and knowledge. Ebooks are highly profitable and their demand continues to rise. They're easy to distribute, significantly more affordable than their physical counterparts, and can be read on various devices at any time. This convenience and accessibility make them an attractive option for readers worldwide. But what makes an ebook profitable? It all comes down to the content. A gripping storyline for fiction or valuable, well-researched information for nonfiction can make your ebook a success. With the right marketing strategy, you can build a loyal readership that eagerly awaits your next release. Ebooks also provide an opportunity for writers and experts in various fields to share their knowledge with a wider audience. Whether you're a seasoned author or a beginner, ebooks can offer an excellent platform to showcase your expertise and generate income. Ebooks can be an excellent source of income for writers and experts in various fields. So are you ready to write your way to success? Digital art, the fusion of creativity and technology. In the digital age, art has found a new canvas, and it's profitable. Why? Simply because digital art caters to a wide array of industries, from entertainment and gaming to advertising and fashion. It's not just about pretty pictures. It's about creating an experience, telling a story, and expressing ideas in a way that resonates with the digital populace. But remember, in the realm of digital art, originality and creativity reign supreme. It's the unique, thought-provoking pieces that captivate audiences and fetch a good price. Successful digital artists don't just replicate what's been done, they innovate, they experiment, they push boundaries. But what makes digital art truly profitable is its scalability. With traditional art, you sell a piece and that's it. But with digital art, you can sell the same piece over and over again without losing its value. You can even license your work for use in different mediums. So if you're an artist with a knack for the digital medium, why not monetize your talent? With the right strategy and a dash of creativity, digital art can be a profitable venture for artists looking to monetize their talent. Stock photos, the digital product that is always in demand. This evergreen market is a treasure trove for photographers and graphic designers. Why, you ask? It's simple. Businesses, bloggers, and designers are constantly on the hunt for high-quality, unique images to enhance their work. This continuous demand makes stock photos a profitable digital product. The success of selling stock photos hinges on two factors: quality and uniqueness. Customers crave vivid, high-resolution images that breathe life into their projects. But they also seek out unique pictures that help their work stand out in a sea of sameness. So, photographers who can deliver on both these fronts will find a hungry market waiting for them. Profitability? Yes, indeed. The beauty of stock photos is that they can be sold repeatedly, creating a steady stream of income. Picture this, you take a stunning photo today and it continues to sell for years on end. That's the power of stock photos. However, it's not just about snapping a picture and hoping for the best. To truly thrive in this market, photographers must understand their audience, keep up with trends, and continuously strive to improve their craft. Stock photos can be a steady source of income for photographers. So, if you've got a knack for capturing beautiful moments, why not turn your passion into profit? Podcasts, the audio revolution in the digital world. In this era of constant information bombardment, podcasts have emerged as an intimate and convenient way to consume content. They've become a popular choice for those who prefer to listen instead of read, making them a highly profitable digital product. The demand for podcasts is vast and varied, spanning from self-improvement tips to fictional narratives. This variety opens up a wide scope for creators to tap into different niches. The secret to a profitable podcast lies in the uniqueness and value of the content. The more original and engaging the content, the more listeners you attract and the more advertisers you can potentially draw. Good narration is equally important. A well-narrated podcast can captivate listeners, making them hang on to every word. This is where your personality can shine, creating a bond with your audience that's hard to break. But let's be clear, podcasting isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience. It's a journey that begins with sharing your unique perspective or knowledge, and if done right, leads to a profitable venture. Podcasts can be a profitable venture for those with a knack for storytelling or sharing knowledge. So, if you have a story to tell or expertise to share, why not give podcasting a try? You never know, your voice could be the next big hit in the digital world. Webinars, the digital product that is transforming online learning. Imagine being able to share your expertise with a global audience, all from the comfort of your own home. That's the power of webinars. These virtual seminars have surged in popularity, becoming a go-to platform for knowledge sharing and skill development. Now, you may be wondering, what makes webinars such a profitable digital product? The answer lies in their high demand. With the rise of remote work and learning, more and more people are turning to webinars to expand their knowledge base. This makes for a thriving market, ripe for the picking. However, the key to a profitable webinar lies in the content. It's essential to provide value to your audience. This means offering insights, strategies, or knowledge that they can't easily find elsewhere. The more unique and valuable your content, the more likely people are to pay for your webinar. But remember, content isn't everything. An engaging presentation is just as crucial. Your webinar needs to hold your audience's attention, making them want to stick around until the end. So brush up on those presentation skills, and you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable webinar. Webinars can be a lucrative business for experts in various fields. Plugins, the digital product that enhances functionality. Now let's dive into the world of plugins, a realm that melds creativity with technical prowess. These handy software components are in high demand as they provide additional features to an existing computer program such as your favorite web browser or editing software. Just like the perfect seasoning in a gourmet dish, plugins are the secret ingredients that can transform a basic software into a powerful tool. They're the digital spice rack of the tech world, adding flavor and versatility to everyday applications. Creating plugins, however, does require a certain level of technical knowledge. You need to be familiar with the software you're enhancing, understand its coding language, and be able to identify what additional features users may find beneficial. But fear not, the effort is well worth it. Once you've developed a useful plugin, it can be sold to a wide audience, and the best part? Once it's developed, it can be sold again and again with minimal maintenance. So, if you're technically inclined and understand the needs of software users, developing plugins could be your digital goldmine. And remember, plugins can be a goldmine for those with the right technical skills. So there you have it, 12 profitable digital products that can help you strike gold in the digital world. From online courses with their scalability and high pricing potential to the versatility of plugins, each offers a unique opportunity to share your skills and earn a good profit. Perhaps it's time to explore the creation of digital art or the launch of a webinar based on your expertise. Remember, your success lies in choosing a product that aligns with your skills and interests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making content. We have more ways to help you become wealthy, so stay tuned for more.